Today I want to talk about some adrenal supporting foods. My favorite adrenal supporting proteins are your organ meats, organic turkey, and my favorite oysters. The best adrenal supporting vegetables are going to be leafy greens and asparagus. Most importantly is going to be your healthy fats. The best healthy fats to support your adrenals are going to be wild-caught fish, coconut oil, my favorite is avocado, and pumpkin seeds. Very important in supporting your adrenal glands is your healthy fats. This can include avocados, coconut oil, wild-caught fish, and then my favorite, pumpkin seeds. Sea salt is also very important in supporting your adrenal glands. It's filled with electrolytes, so no matter what it is that you're making, just sprinkle a little bit of sea salt on. These foods have a lot in common. They're low in sugar, they have no caffeine, they offer a lot of nutrients that help you support with stress, they help calm the body down, they help you become less anxious, they help to balance your hormones. So the next time you're in the grocery store, make sure you add these adrenal fighting foods.